Good morning. Just a little precursor before we crack into the main video, which I finished recording, and then just as we were about to post, the UK decided they were indeed going to hold a snap election on the 15th of October. That's Jeremy Corbyn, leader of the UK opposition Labour Party, talking there. So, everything else in the video remains relevant, so that's great. Don't need to redo the whole thing, but we will talk about the UK snap election and what it might mean for markets, blah, 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 in first hand. Yeah, a little bit of sizzle for the written edition. Okay, on with the show. Kia ora, good morning. It is Thursday. I'm Mike from Markets, and this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Yeah, okay, so risk assets, they were broadly back in vogue overnight. They were striking a pose. That is a missed opportunity. Anyway, drivers. Right, political tensions in Hong Kong look to have come off the boil. A no-deal Brexit is looking increasingly less likely. And US-China concerns, ebbing on decent Chinese data yesterday. Plenty of reasons to be cautiously optimistic. Yeah, so on the equities front, almost all of the globe's major indices are on the happy side of the buy-sell equation this morning. Even our own little NZX50 got into the swing of the positivity party. Record high yesterday, above 11,000 for the first time. So, broadly, global sentiment is positive. Today, Hong Kong issues, they won't evaporate overnight. They're probably going to keep simmering. The UK might delay Brexit again, but they could be staring back down the barrel of uncertainty if, or when, a snap election is called for October. And Chinese data, maybe it was better yesterday, but 24 hours ago, the focus was on a contracting US manufacturing sector. It's very much like a bit of hand kicking. Worry about it tomorrow. Maybe everything will be fine. Yeah, anyway, on currencies, the greenback that remains under pressure, still feeling the effects of that not good manufacturing data. The yen also on the back foot, which makes sense. Yen and risk sentiment have a broadly inverse relationship. The pound, that is surging, also makes sense. The market wasn't keen on a hard Brexit, so a bit of a relief rally going on there. And the Kiwi, right, continuing to climb. 63.63 US cents, the overnight high. We're a little off that now. And in terms of relative performance, the New Zealand dollar, sort of middle of the pack. So the Kiwi crosses this morning, we will open a little higher in some, a little lower in others. Yeah. Also interesting overnight, a couple of diverging opinions from a few members of the US Federal Reserve. We will look at that in first hand. Yeah, I think that's probably enough from me for this morning. Have a great Thursday. Ka kite anō.